Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Okay, so as a first method I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device into your Samsung. As a second method I'll show how to restore backup using the Google one. Then I'll show how to restore from the Samsung cloud and how to restore from the external storage drive. If you don't know how to create all of those backups, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. We are doing the setup process. As you can see, simply click on start. Now select your language, then click on next, click on next once again, agree to above terms, then click on next. Okay, we have the first thing, easy setup with another device. We can already see that on our second device a setup option appeared. So on our Samsung, let's click on Galaxy or Android device, and now let's scan this QR code. There is a chance that this thing won't appear on your device, and what to do then? You can simply open up the camera app, use the Google Lens and scan this QR code. And if you don't have Google Lens, you can always use some third-party apps that can scan the QR codes. Okay, let's click on Setup. Okay, and now let's scan this QR code using our second device. Okay. Now we need to wait a few seconds. As you can see, our device is connecting to the Wi-Fi currently. Okay, again, phone ready. This might take a few minutes, so we just simply need to be patient and wait until this is finished. Okay, now we have a possibility to log in into our Google account on which we are logged in on our previous device. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Simply type your password. We need to verify. Then simply click on next. Okay, now our account is being copied. Alright, now click on next. Click on agree. Click on allow. We can use the cable or do this wirelessly. I'll pick the wireless version. Let's click on let's go. In here also click on wireless and let's scan this code once again. Okay, and now our device will connect to each other, so we need to wait until it's done. Okay, searching for data to transfer. Let's wait until it's finished. Okay, and now select what you want to transfer. We can select everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or we can click on custom and we can manually select the things that we want to copy or don't want to copy. In my case, I only want the calls, contacts and messages to be copied. Then click on next once you have selected everything. Now we need to wait a few seconds. You can see on our second device that the process is already finished. We are done on this phone, so it won't be we don't need to use it anymore. And now we have an option to protect our phone, to set a screen lock or one of those things. I'll click on skip. You can always do it later in the settings. Now we have the Google services. I'll always keep everything enabled and click on accept. In here we have the backup services. They are really useful, so I suggest you should turn them on. Make sure it's selected. Click on turn on backup. Now we need to select our default browser and the search engine. I'll select the Chrome as my default search engine, and as my default browser, and Google as my default search engine. Click on set as default. Now we have the Gemini, which is our AI assistant. Click on continue. We can enable the Hey Google sentence. I'll turn it on because why not? Okay, we need to wait again. Okay, now we have a possibility to log in into our Samsung account. It's not necessary, we can always skip it, and we can do it later in the settings. So in my case, click on right in here, and I'll click on setup later in the settings. Okay, in here click on skip, in here select, you can only select terms and conditions, but I'll always select all, then click on agree. Scroll down and click on agree, select your display mode, then click on next. Now we need to wait a few seconds, click on next once again, click on home, and that was the first method. Okay, so now I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. We are again during the setup process. In here, when you have a possibility to set up with another device, we need to click on setup manually this time. Now we need to choose a Wi-Fi network, and we need to connect to it manually. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll type my password, then click on connect. Okay, just like that. Now click on next. Alright, getting the phone ready. It might take a few minutes, so I'll wait until it's finished. Alright, copy apps and data. Let's click on next. And now we need to select that we cannot use other device. Okay. And now we have a possibility to log in into our Google account. And remember that you need to log in into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. It is really, really important. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me log in. Okay. I typed the mail. Now I need to type the password. And click on next. Click on next. Click on agree. Okay, getting account info. And now we have a possibility to select the backup that we want. So in here we have a list of all the backups. Select the one that you want. For example, I'll select that one. Okay, now choose what you want to restore. In here we have a list. Select everything that you want, then click on restore. Now the process will start in the background. And now again we can set the screen lock or other features, security features, and now again we have the Google services. So I'll just do everything the same, just like I did in the previous method. So I'll just turn it on. I'm going to rush it through. Default browser, in my case, Google Chrome. Google as a search engine. In here, continue, and I'll turn it on. Alright, getting phone ready. So I'll see you once this loading screen is finished. Okay, now again we have a possibility to log in into this Samsung account. I'll just skip it. If you want to know more, go simply into the previous method. Now I just need to rush it through until we will be able to use our device. Select your display mode, click on next. Now wait a few seconds. Click on next. Click on next once again. Click on home. And now we are ready to use our device. So that was the second method. And now I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Samsung Cloud and from the external storage drive. Okay, so let's begin with the Samsung Cloud. Open up your settings, log in into your Samsung account, then click right in here. Now scroll down, click on Samsung Cloud and click on Restore Data. And here we have a list of backups that are stored in our cloud. Select the one that you want, select the things that you want to restore, then click on the button below, click on yes, click on install. And now everything will be downloaded and restored. So I'll see you once this process is finished. Alright, now everything has been successfully restored. Click on done. And that's all when it comes to the Samsung Cloud. Let's go now with the external storage drive. Now let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down and let's click on Accounts and Backup. And now let's click on External Storage Transfer. Click on More and click on Continue. Click on More and Allow. Now plug in your external storage drive. Now let's wait a few seconds. Okay, now click on Restore from USB storage. Now again, wait until it's finished. Now select data to restore. It can be everything, just calls, contacts and messages or custom. Then click on Next. Now the process will start. Okay, click on Go to Home Screen. And you can see in here that data transfer has been completed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.